a year. Where are you? Why are you? Come. All right. This lawyer is called Justice Henry Kofi. Onena ose oni de ni abrepa odi ni babeji eye shit bomb no. Momentie Judge Justice Kofi ene nsema okan because oni de na adwene mu no one ne nkofo no hu ni say eye sosu say omo yakromfo onya kromfo ne ka say kromfo a de na oya. Let's listen to this so-called judge and hear his nonsense.
The Association of Magistrates and Judges of Ghana, AMJG, has noted with grave concern and dismay a statement by Honorable Francis Lawyer Sosu, Member of Parliament for the Medina constituency, that there are judges who he calls political judges. This statement of the Honorable Sosu, who is a lawyer, was made during an interview he granted after a demonstration and is available on social media and on various radio stations. The statement was to the effect that some judges seek refuge and hide behind political parties and behave as, quote and unquote, political judges. He said, quote, if you make yourself a political judge, you will be treated politically, and your tenure of office will run with the political party that you favor, unquote. The association finds this statement of Honorable Sosu against judges as unfortunate, reckless, and misguided, coming as it is from a member of parliament and a lawyer who should know better. The questions the association would like to ask Honorable Sosu and his ilk are: A, who is a political judge? B, who determines who is a political judge, and by what criteria is the determination made? 3, who are the so-called political judges who are going to be dealt with? The association considers this statement of Honorable Sosu as deliberate and calculated to create disaffection against the judiciary and an attempt to scandalize the judiciary and judges, and we condemn the said statement in no uncertain terms. Judges do not determine which cases are filed or put before them for hearing. The statement of Honorable Francis Xavier Sosu is an attempt to intimidate judges who are doing nothing other than their normal work. The association takes a serious view of the statement of Honorable Sosu and considers it very unprofessional from a lawyer and an unprovoked attack on the judiciary. Having regard to the seriousness with the AMJG takes this statement and its potential to do undue damage to the image of the judiciary, the association is lodging a formal complaint against Honorable Sosu to the General Legal Counsel immediately for his unprofessional statement of utterances which have the potential to tarnish the image of the judiciary as a whole.
All right, so that is Justice of Court of Appeal, Henry Kofi. Now I'm just an ex-boxer. It's a koto. I utisa koto. Oh, Judge, I don't know for me. It's a koto. No, I ain't on that brofo. And now I bet you or say that statement from Sosu, a lawyer Sosu. No, he believes that statement, you know, a good a year judge for a hufin. Now, as someone Sosu can, you know, as a lawyer, no, a unprofessional. And also a damage to the image of the judiciary or lawyers. It's to as some kind of no. Now, before I start my editorial, no, I want to ask these few questions. Justice Henry Kofi, I want to ask you a simple question. When him say, "Sir, judge way or a court of appeal judge," right? Maybe I busa a simple question, Judge Henry Kofi. Under what condition and circumstances? When him say, Ernest Thompson no asem no. When him say we Senator Ernest Thompson said we na AD asem no. I want to send this question to you, Etirekuto, Justice of the Appeals Court. Me say under what circumstances and condition were you given a warrant to do the criminal trial of the state or the Republic versus Ernest Thompson? They say under what circumstance and under what condition? What can say Binitaroto, you Henry. A good for the lawyer. You Henry. I am asking you a simple question before I address the matter itself. Me say, under what condition and circumstances were you given the warrant to be the judge on the case, the Republic versus Ernest Thompson? Under what conditions? It's a simple question I'm asking you. And I'm say, how were you selected and given warrant to oversee this case? How were you selected? Was there a criteria that they used in selecting you? The lawyers and the judges, I'm asking this to this question. Circumstance, many condition, ben a man or Ebenyasa and Ernest Thompson, or a court or a judge of appeals court, right? Appeals court judge. A dear circumstances, being conditions, being leading to you being selected to come and sit on the case. And then I would like to ask, criteria ben omu ya so far yekufu ede ukotena sa case so. You have no credibility. You can't answer these questions. Me, I want to know. There are so many high court judges. You are at the appeals court. So many high court judges. Why did Sofa Kufu move you from appeals court to come to the high court and sit on the Republic versus Ernest Thompson? You cannot answer these questions. You are here making noise. Your credibility, Grandpa, is very questionable. What even got you to sit on that case? It is something that is supposed to make you leave office as a judge. So, Etrekoto, relax and maintain the Ekufuado bidding you are doing. No, you are about to see yourself in the mirror. Me say, those big boys up there, Supreme Court, Supreme Court. Someone say, some of the judges have retired. Some too, Yao Apple will be retiring soon. And Baku, there are about 2-3 vacancies. And these young boys, they want to please the Kufuado. They are licking his butt so that he will make them judges of the Supreme Court. But I'm asking you before I address the matter, I must say, condition, procedure, Ben Efas, so you select as a high court judge to come and sit on the Republic versus Ernest Thompson case. So for a Kufu time, they select. What was there a criteria? Because we have so many high court judges. Tell us. You are an illegal player. You are going to protest another player from another campus. Oh no, he does not have the right to play. You yourself, you are an illegal player. You Ankasa, your card A is not qualified for you to play in the Premiership. Your card A does not qualify you to be a Premiership player, but you are here contesting Ronaldo was scoring too much for coming to from Juve to Man City or United. You yourself, your card A is very questionable. Answer these questions. On our LED press conference, Xboxer. Tell us. Now let me address the matter. And let me tell you, I have something special for you. You will see yourself in the mirror. Justice Henry Kofi. Why would you catch them? Say, I will let you see yourself in the mirror. You will see the real you in the mirror. I think majority of the people didn't know you. I will let the people know you. But these 3 questions are simple questions you need to answer. All right, now let me address the matter. Now, you see this man. He is the president of the Ghana Bar Association. His name is Yao Boafo. Now, the question here is, everybody will ask, did Sosu say anything against a judge in Ghana? As we speak now, no judge is a thief. No judge is a politician. No judge has been caught being a member of Atayi's clique. No judge, as we speak, walks with a tag behind them, say, is a political judge. But the probability said there are some judges who are working for politicians and in their work, it looks more like they are doing politics, it's high. Now, we are talking about logical reasoning. You being a soccer player does not mean that you are a Black Star material. You can be a footballer. You can be a very good footballer. But you being a soccer player in Ghana or in the Premiership does not automatically guarantee say you will be a member of the Black Stars team. So if Sosu says that judges who are behaving as if they are politicians they have to understand, say, at the end of the day, when power changes, they'll be treated as a politician. It does not mean that the judges are all politicians, or 90 or 100% of judges are politicians. But it also does not mean we don't have judges who are acting as if they are politicians. So if you people are saying you are lawyers, and you are actually good lawyers who went to school, Mr. Majority of Ghanaian lawyers did not even take logical reasoning exams. Makola no nam. Logical reasoning is tough. Come to America and take your first logical reasoning exams to enter the law school admission test. You will see. It is simple. Sosu's statement does not automatically make some judges political judges. Sosu was serving notice. Sosu never said the judges here are all political judges after. No, these judges, he said, those judges, it means everybody has the right to believe whatever they want to believe. It does not go against the institution. Sosu is rather fortifying the judiciary, making people understand, say, those who think or believe or assume, say, there are some political judges, no, they might get it wrong because Sosu is telling you. And Sosu, even at the end of the day, is indirectly trying to protect the judiciary by saying, say, if somebody is, because somebody needs to come out and prove, say, there is, you have to prove malice in Sosu's statement. What Sosu said, you, the General Legal Counsel, you, the judges, you need to prove malice. How are you going to prove that Sosu meant or decided or deliberately said somebody is a politician? Sosu made a statement, and it's a statement that can be seen as an advice. It can be seen as a caution. It's a statement that I expect the judiciary that is always trying to advise people to take it with their heart and accept it. Unless some people in the judiciary are what Sosu is saying. But the probability of majority of you guys not doing what Sosu is saying to is high. So why are you forcing yourself to put yourself in that category where we know, say, or you are making us believe that there are some judges who are acting as politicians? So you coming in and trying to push Sosu to the General Legal Counsel automatically is justifying that you are guilty of something. Because you being a Santikotoko player or a house player does not automatically make you a black star material. So you could see, say, what they are doing, they are clearly exposing themselves as the law defenders, as the judiciary, as the Ghana Bar Association. They are basically, in fact, exposing themselves and embarrassing themselves. Now, this man is the leader of the Ghana Bar Association. Why do you think some people will come out today and say, we have a press conference, Sosu needs to go to General Legal Counsel, made up of people we know don't have even any better track record? When we go to the General Legal Counsel, we have their disciplinary committee. Doche, who is the best friend to the CJ, is the chair there. Somebody like Okujato, Sam Okujato, he is a member of the disciplinary committee. This man has no moral right to sit on any case when it comes to human beings. This Sam Okujato guy, his son raped his helpmate. He impregnated a girl, and Sam Okujato took his son to Canada. This man has no moral right to sit and say, I want to test your intelligence and criticize you and see where you need to belong. But apart from all this, if the Ghana Bar Association believes they are an association with integrity, if judges who are also part of the Ghana Bar Association believe that the judiciary is not tainted, in fact, every single member of the judiciary is a saint, why would they quickly come out and say Sosu has tainted the image of the judiciary? In fact, these are the words he used. He has unprofessionally, he has conducted himself unprofessionally. Sosu has damaged the image. He's intimidating judges. How on earth does these statements intimidate a judge, intimidate lawyers, intimidate the court, tarnish the image of the Ghana Bar Association? So at this point, the court, the Ghana Bar Association, the judges, the lawyers, they don't want advice again. They are their own advisors. They are the biggest intelligent, the omnipotent when it comes to intelligence. But we have sat in this country where a judge has made some pronouncement and come back to say, even the Supreme Court sometimes make a pronouncement, judge a case, and come back and review their own projections, their own pronouncement or their own judgment. Does it show? Should this tell you? And I said, does it mean, say, even the Supreme Court, they don't have all the knowledge? They also make mistakes. Because you have seen Supreme Court, Papa Ewabru, this American Supreme Court.